Would you like to make brownie cake in 2 minutes? Very tasty and easy to make. If you're ready, let's get started. Put 3 eggs and 150 grams sugar into the bowl. Beat with a hand mixer for 89 minutes and then lighten. Add flour and cocoa powder and mix it well again. Let's melt the chocolate in a bain-marie and add the melted butter. Add the chocolate to egg mixture and mix well. Pour the cake mix into the baking pan. Add 20 grams of chocolate chips. Bake for 50 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. Please be careful and don't overcook. It will be nice when it is hot, but if it rests for 45 hours, it will be more delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button. I'm waiting for your comments. See you in the next video. Bye.